Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm coming for sir on behalf of Bianca Starlings, my bird captain.
In fact, it snowed. I don't like it. I don't like this suit. I don't like gloves and boots. We need to get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Hey, that's better. Look around, it's a little warmer out here.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm coming for sir on behalf of Bianca Starlings, my bird captain.
Those are my babies in there.
What's that her line that always has like the horror stories?
Delta United horror stories.
And the board's broken in like 17 places.
Wow, Bianca.
And then people are like, how is that even possible for you to break a board that many places?
Thank you, Bianca, for taking such care with two people to lift that bag.
Thank you so much to pass and insert the mail out.
I am Feliz Gracioso. Funny? Haha. Gracioso? Mucho. On the top of my bag and grab the other bag of treats for me?
Oh, all right. Well, we are here and there's a smudge right there. But we're good. We are in Leon, in Nicaragua. We got here last night, stayed at the hotel. Our buddy Edwin come in and picked us up from Salinas Grande to take us back out to the house. Temperature is amazing. It is not Ontario. It is not ugly and gray and freezing. It is absolutely gorgeous and sunny and warm and wavy. So we just finished up getting groceries and we're just stopping now for Edwin. We just grabbed cappuccino and we're heading out to the beach and go to the house and get this rolling. Can't wait. It's been a while and I can't wait to see my house. Stay tuned.
I asked the guy. He said no problem. So I was throwing them treats and then I got a little close to the one dog and I got a little snappy, but I was like, because I threw a treat because the one's tied up and the other one wasn't. So I was trying to get the treat because it bumped it off its nose, so it went too far. So then I was like, I said to the guy, I'm like, it's too far. And then he didn't know what I was saying. So I'm like grabbing a stick and I'm trying to flick the thing closer to this dog so it can catch it. These dogs are like sharp, like every time I'm throwing them, they're catching them. Like, you know, they're desperate for food. It's like, oh, I just walk up, is okay? He's like, yeah, see. He thanked me.
That's good.
As I was walking away, he's like, gracias.
What is she doing out here? Oh, feeding dogs. More dogs. There's Edwin. Okay, come on.
Hello. Oh, my sweet love. Don't take my finger off. Oh, I will give you all the treats. Can you please come home with me? Oh, here he is sitting. Oh my God, bless your heart.
There's a bike coming on the other side, babe.
This dog is not going anywhere. Nice. I'll give you more. Okay. Can you pass me the big bag? Hello, baby. Oh, good catch.
Solomon! I was wondering where the hell everybody is. It's chilling. Hola, hermano. ¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo fue el viaje?
Bien. Muy bien.